Hi children, how are you all? Okay, welcome back to your math session. This is your James chapter, numbers from 10 to 20. But here we are going to learn today counting in tens. Yes, counting in tens. You all know this? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Here all these things are T, but previous session we learned teen numbers, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that is teen age numbers, but this one is 10, 20 like you. See, here I displayed some rod. It's a 10 blocks. You can arrange this as a 10 blocks. If I have a one row, it's constructed by 10 blocks, means that is tens. So here I have a two rows with a 10 block, so 20. So you can see this, isn't it? And next, you just join correctly this. You have to join correctly the number, isn't it? The numbers are jumbled here and there. Can you understand? So now I am going to just join the numbers correctly. First, where you are going to start? Yes, 10. So my 10 number is here and my name of 10 is here, T-E-N. And next 20. Yes, it here 20. Just type to the 20. You have a 20. And next 30. What's have the 30? Where you have the 30? I can just move here and there. And next 40. You have to like that. You have to next 40. You're going to show where is 40. Yes, easier. And 50. Now the 50 where is just little distance, isn't it? Now you have a 60. You have where you have the 60. So 60 just come across like this. Again 70. I'm going to do the 70 now. Okay, so many lines will be make means it will disturbance to you. Just why I just rub it out. Now we are going to join the 70. Yes. So just you're going to write the 70, isn't it? Sorry. So we can write like this. Again 80. Where is 80? Here 80 is here. So I can just join with 80. 90. 90 is here. My finally by big number 100, that is 100. Where you have the 100? 100. Yes. Okay. Next learn this next one. You have to see this picture. With the help of the tens blocks, we can read the number and or identify the number very easily. Could you follow what I'm saying? Yes. If I got individual one blocks, here I have the individually, that is separately 10 one blocks is here. Then I will make up one full rod, 10 block rod I can made up with the help of 10 ones block. How many tens coins is here? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10 coins is here. And how many? So I can put in a 5 10 coins. And how many ones coins is here? 3 1 coins is here. So I can write here 3. So my number is now 53. Okay. Here I have a 10 20 20 10 coins. And how many ones coins is here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So take 8 1 coins. So totally I got a 28 coins. That means 2 tens and 8 ones. Here I don't have a 0. That means no 1 coins is here. So that's why in ones place I am putting 0. But I have the 4 tens coins. So I can take 1, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is your 40. Can you understand? So now listen. And next number we are going to see here only the 1 10 coin is here, so that's why I'm putting only 1 10 coin and 4 ones coin, so I can write your 14, isn't it? Have you all understand? Now we just move to next example. Now you're going to say the answer. I have in each box we have some tens rod as well as some ones blocks, isn't it? One tens rod will be make a 1 10 rod, so I can write here 10 one rod with tens and individual box 1 2 3, so this is your 13. And here also I have the only 1 10 block and individual ones block is 5, so my number is 15. Here I have a 1 10 block rod and individually 1 is separate here, so I can write 1 10 and 1 ones. Here I am going to write the 1 10 and my ones is 4, so the number is 14. Okay, just observe this picture, this small elephant picture. Here this is an example for in place value is the ones and tens. In previous class we learned the place values, isn't it? Now you just see I have how many rows with the 10 block. I have a 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, but I can't make a one more line with a 10 block because I don't have a 10 rows is there, isn't there? 10 individual block is not in there, only the 2 blocks, so I can leave it separate. Okay, so now listen. So this is you're going to see. So 5 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 plus 2 we get 52. So I can easily read my number and I can easily identify my number. Till cap activity I given to you, how you arrange this tends to understand the concept. Okay, so you when you in our house we have the small bottle caps, so you just collect them. It may be the different colors and different sizes, it's not a problem, but you have to return inside the 10 20 30 40s and you just collect some beads. Okay, some colorful beads or buttons, that's your wishes. You just make a tens collections in one bottle cap you filled out with the 10 beads. Like that you're going to arrange so on. So you can arrange like this, so it will be comes under to your 100. So if you count at final 1 10 20 30 40 50 like that, you have to comes to here. Can you understand? So this is your today's session. So I hope you all enjoy this session. We can meet again. See you, bye, take care.